Now let's talk about the wiring for three-way smart dimmer. The model is RP-STD01. Here, this example actually is a four-way condition. It has one master switch and two add-on switches to control this lamp. On the master side, this is the power source, the hot knife, the neutral. The neutral comes to the master switch and then it links to the load lamp directly. The add-on switches, they don't need any neutral wires. You see here has no neutral, here has no neutral. So live neutral to power the master switch, and then it has two travelers. The red one, this is for data. The brown one is for the power. So the red one will transmit the data from add-on switch to the master switch. It will, for example, if you press the button on the add-on switch, it will transmit this command through this red wire to the master switch, and then to enable the power to go through here to the load lamp. So the real power one, the power cable goes through here to this side, this location, and then to here to power the lamp. So you see here, this one is the load wire to the load lamp. So the red one is just for signal. Okay, then you see this side, three red wires together, and this one is three brown wires together. One is in, one is out, one is for the switch, and this side, the end side, this is signal here, and this is the load wire, the power from here and then to here. In the middle, if you want to add more add-on switches, you can add them in the middle here. Actually, one master switch can connect to up to 5 different add-on switches. So all of them are dimmable. Let me try. So on the master side, we turn it on, increase, 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 decrease, decrease, decrease. So the first add-on side, we use this to increase, decrease. Okay. And this one also increase, 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 decrease, decrease, decrease. For all of them, the function is the same. If I hold any button, it will turn off. If I press any button, it will turn on. Hold it, turn off. This one is the same. Turn on, hold it, turn off. Okay?